Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best charcoal smoker is Dyna-Glo Signature Series Charcoal Smoker. This offset smoker from Dyna-Glo is well suited for serious smokers or those hosting a large backyard barbecue. The cooker's huge cooking area is divided over 5 grates, each large enough to fit a large slab of meat, and has nearly 1,400 square inches of cooking space. At the top of the room, there are various hooks for hanging sausages. The smoker is made of thinner gauge steel sheet metal, but it is protected from rust by a durable coating. This smoker is hardly portable, weighing in at 124 pounds. It does, however, have 2 huge wheels for moving around the area. The user may open and close the cooking chamber and firebox without wearing a glove thanks to cool touch handles. This multifunctional smoker lets you have it all with both grilling and offset smoking capacity. Smoke your pork shoulder low and slow or grill up burgers for the crew. For additional cooking space, simply use the offset for grilling sides or foods that require different temperatures. The smoker and offset cooking grates allow for maximum heat transfer and searing, and the professional grade, stainless steel temperature gauge features grill zone and smoke zone indicators for maintaining an ideal cooking temperature. Become the envy of the neighborhood and upgrade your backyard with this Signature Series heavy-duty vertical offset charcoal smoker and grill from Dyna-Glo. Do not use this smoker and grill as a heater. Number 2 in our side is Dyna-Glo DGX780 BDC Charcoal Smoker. The cooking box consists of 4 cooking grates above a charcoal cooking box. The user can access the cooking section of the firebox through 2 separate doors, and a huge vent provides for temperature control. This vertical cabinet-style charcoal smoker from Dyna-Glo delivers a huge cooking surface area without taking up a lot of space, with 784 square inches of cooking space. With a footprint of 21 inches by 21 inches, this smoker stands just over 4 feet tall. An ash management system, cool touch handles on both doors, and a stainless temperature indicator are among the other thoughtful features. With a weight of 56 pounds, this smoker is easy to store. With this Dyna-Glo vertical smoker, you can now smoke your favorite foods with your favorite wood chips and your favorite fuel source, charcoal. Vertical smokers are ideal for capturing maximum smoke flavor, so we've included 4 height-adjustable cooking grates, with a total of 784 square inches of cooking space, to accommodate different sizes and types of food. The double-door design helps minimize heat loss when access to the food or fuel is needed. The porcelain enameled charcoal chamber is designed to keep briquettes stacked tightly for improved burn efficiency, and the removable steel ash pan is designed to handle large amounts of ash for hours of maintenance-free cooking. Third in our best charcoal smoker list is Masterbuilt Gravity Series Charcoal Grill. This charcoal smoker from Masterbuilt has 560 square inches of cooking area and offers variable performance and digital controls. This offset smoker is a terrific choice for individuals who want a set it and forget it method to smoking meat. Its gravity-fed firebox can hold enough charcoal for 15 hours of burning. The feeder, in conjunction with a fan, digital controller, and thermostat, maintains the desired temperature inside the smoker automatically. The smoker also has a Bluetooth connection that allows the user to check the temperature. This model, like other offset smokers, may also be used as a charcoal grill. With the Gravity Series 560 Digital Charcoal Grill Plus Smoker by Masterbuilt, you can smoke, grill, sear, bake, roast, and so much more. Set the temperature on the digital control panel or your smart device, and the digital fan maintains the desired cooking temperature. The gravity-fed charcoal hopper holds over 12 hours of charcoal, and gravity ensures you have constant fuel to the fire. The reversible cast iron grates are perfect for smoking or searing, and in just 13 minutes this grill can reach 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Master the art of charcoal grilling and smoking with Masterbuilt. Let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Char-Broil Gourmet Offset Smoker. The offset smoker from Char-Broil will get you smoking and cooking low and slow. It features a vertical pipe smokestack with adjustable dampers, a temperature gauge and an offset firebox to stoke the fire without losing heat. It also features porcelain-coated cooking grates for easy cleaning. If you're just getting into charcoal smoking and looking for a smoker for your next backyard cookout, the Char-Broil American Gourmet Offset Smoker is a simple, trusted option that won't cost you an arm and a leg. The Char-Broil American Gourmet is a basic, medium-sized charcoal smoker with enough room for a family cookout or a small group of friends. This grill includes a smoking section as well as a separate firebox for direct cooking and searing. Tracking and regulating temperatures is simple with plenty of vents and a temperature gauge. The American Gourmet contains trays for wood chips and water on the inside, making it simple to add flavor and moisture. The American Gourmet is easy to transport and move about your back patio because to its wheels. Last in this list is Real Cook Steel Charcoal Smoker. Real Cook's vertical steel charcoal smoker is one of the greatest charcoal grill smoker solutions for people on a budget, costing a fraction of the price of other smokers. It has 453 square inches of cooking surface on 2 grates and 2 hooks inside the lid for additional capacity, although being smaller than other models. 2 access doors allow for fuel addition without affecting the temperature in the separate cooking chamber, while dampers and a temperature indicator on the lid allow for temperature adjustment. Because it can be dismantled into 3 sections, this stove can also be used as a grill or a fire pit. Smoking is a popular method that allows food to be preserved longer, or to impart a different flavor to food. It can be used for cold or hot smoking. Cooks different ways. It's easy to assemble and easy to use. 2 layers design, you can easily take them apart to transport or clean. Use as a barbecue grill or a smoker, it depends on you. With the latch locking system, it can provide you more stability. Built-in thermometer with detailed temperature scale and adjustable air supply on lid for greater temperature control. Porcelain enameled water pan and charcoal pan can provide you the stable use. The heat-resistant Bakelite handles make transport, basting and cooking a breeze. For details, let's watch more.